If you don't know the difference between a sociopath and a psychopath, well, it's not just you. It is not easy to distinguish them, and also there is considerable controversy among these terms, which are often referred to as synonymous, even among researchers. These are not consensual concepts in the scientific world. Sociopathy and psychopathy have several characteristics in common, which helps to increase the confusion between the two concepts. For example, neither sociopathy nor psychopathy is an official diagnosis. That is, if we look in the diagnostic manuals for mental disorders, we won't find any of the two terms. Both sociopaths and psychopaths will have the same diagnosis, which will be antisocial personality disorder. Psychopaths and sociopaths share characteristics such as lack of regrets and feelings of guilt. They don't take responsibility for their actions, show contempt for social laws and norms, disrespect the right of others, they lack empathy and tend to violence or aggressive behavior. But for some researchers, sociopathy and psychopathy have some distinct characteristics that make these two concepts not exactly the same and deserve a distinction. In bibliography, psychopathy is considered a condition that is born with people. It is innate, and it seems to have a strong hereditary component. Sociopathy is considered not as innate, but as acquired, that is, it is developed throughout life and may be the result of a brain injury, abuse, or neglect during childhood. Although both conditions may show lack of empathy and guilt, sociopaths are sometimes able to bond, show some empathy with close family members, and even feel guilt. The same does not seem to happen in the case of psychopaths. Sociopaths are also more impulsive and spontaneous. When associated with crime, psychopaths are those who most calculate the risks. They plan more and leave less evidence. Psychopaths are endowed with a superficial charm. They apparently demonstrate to get along with other people, but only apparently, because they don't bond with anyone. Sociopaths, on the other hand, tend to be more explosive and less calculating, and so their relationships with others tend to be more complicated. One final aspect, also important to note, is that sociopaths and psychopaths are not necessarily violent. Many can be just manipulators and use various strategies and tricks to achieve their own goals.